God damn, what is that?
That's crazy.
That's a toy car. He's still whipping it though.
Big.
That shit hella big.
What the fuck? Spaceship, bro.
Spaceship, huh? Yeah, you might want to push that seat all the way back. Yep. So Gustavo gonna try Vtec for the first time. I got the seatbelt all in the camera.
6 years?
5.
Oh, come on,
yeah, Honda, bro. It's Gustavo's first time hitting Vtec today, if he hits it. So
if I hit it.
It's a little low. Yep. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How the brakes feel? They feel cool?
Hey, break. Come on, man. You know me. I'm just kidding. From AutoZone. Yeah. Turn this out. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh, we're low. Oh, fuck.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Oh, we good. Let me gas dip. You really have to gas it all the way to redline to feel the Vtec. It's gonna hit to like, well, not redline, but past 5,000.
I'm like scared, dude. What if I granny shift?
Yeah. Oh, second. Okay. Oh shit! You're trying to pass it at me.
Dude, that shit got kind of crazy.
And pass it in the Z or what? No. The Vtec though. The Vtec though.
The Vtec go hard though.
And you was hitting it, bro. Okay. He was like, I don't know, I can. Try it again.
This shit's kind of nice. Should I get a prelude, dude?
Hell yeah!
Every time
I told you. Bentowners got for 2 years, man. I'm like,
oh, dude, this is comfy
prelude,
as fuck,
yeah.
dude. The steering wheel's like bougie, dude.
Yeah, bro. That's the only thing that's expensive inside.
Oh, fuck, I can't make a U-turn here, huh?
Who said that? I don't see no signs. Oh shit! It's like turbo. It's like Nas, huh?
Dude, it's actually, bro. It took its time once it hit 5,000.
I'm telling you, bro. It's trash.
Oh,
it's trash. Like when it's going, before. But before 5,000 is dookie. After 5,000, bro. Yes, sir.
Dude, that shit's.
Yeah.
Look right there. Look.
Yeah. Oh shit! Break. Oh shit! My boy scared me in my own car.
Dude, this shit is sick.
Honda life, bro.
Oh, that's actually crazy.
Okay.
It saves you gas, right? I mean,
Well, not if you do that all the time, but yeah.
I mean,
see, a lot of people hate on Hondas because it's cheap, but this shit is fun, bro.
bro, this is fucking sick, dude. It's not like fast like that, but
Yeah,
it's
it feels because
it's fun fast.
It's
you know
fun
what I
fast, exactly.
mean? Dang, dude.
And to be honest, you probably went like 40 miles per hour.
Yeah, no, I know.
Yeah.